Hi, Dr. Cooper back at it here talking about chapter 12. So some key concepts and key takeaways from this chapter is we're talking about two types of costing, job order costing and process costing. So job order costing is for companies that have unique, expensive products where they must estimate costs based on each individual product. So you can think about that as like a custom house or something like that. Companies that use the process costing are for homogeneous, inexpensive products where they can accept an average cost per unit cost. So an example of this is maybe processing or making a can of Diet Pepsi. So that would be an example, and I have other examples here on the next page. So again, for job costing systems, we're talking about expensive, unique items that accumulate costs by individual products. Companies use the job order cost systems when they need to know products or for individual products or batches. So example would be a Walt Disney production or film, an office building construction is another one, Boeing and determining the cost of various airplanes. Process is allocated evenly to homogeneous products. Unit product cost is determined by dividing the total product cost by the number of units produced during the accounting period. So some examples there are oil refining, manufacturing of chemicals or cereal or something like that. And again, I gave the example of a can of Diet Pepsi. So in terms of the flow of what happens with these costs, when we have a job order cost, and you can see they're making boats here, they track each individual boat on its own with a job cost sheet. So that tracks the materials, the labor, and overhead. When we have a process costing system, it goes from, for example, the mixing department to the packaging department to finished goods, but the labor is and the overhead and all the costs are tracked through here. Oops, sorry, I went back. Didn't mean to do that. And so that's basically what I want to cover for this chapter. Talk to you soon. Bye.